any tips, like 1 minute advice to all product enthusiasts or UX people? So what is the tip? Three tips, one tip, whatever.
Yeah, so good question. So a lot of product, I see a lot of overlap between product and UX, right? Though we see not proper definitions for a product, or they are never product a proper definition. In each company, the thing differs. But like I said, and you would have seen that in my talk so far, is I focus a lot on the why aspect of things. So when you are answering a problem or you're looking at a solution, always start with the why.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen people, for example, I'll give you one quick example, right? If you look at websites, now
Yes.
when I go to Intercom uh, and I look at Intercom, I can't understand what they're trying to sell, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you're a young startup, you idealize Intercom as a big company who've done this, and you just copy that in your context. Sorry, if you just copy them blindly, it's not going to work for you,
Right.
right? So you need to understand why it has worked for them, and you should answer your own why and try to bring the elements from that and fit into the context. So that is, I think, the most important thing, right? Unfortunately for us, we've not been an industry where we have a luxury of copying something and taking inspirations from elsewhere, because not a lot of products exist. But if you are in that industry and you like some experience, just it may work for them but not work for you, because your audiences may be different. So take that good learning and answer that why, right? That's number one. Invest in data driven decision making. So right now all our UX in fact is also driven around data, right? We penalize our, well, not penalize, but we are not so sweet when it comes to people dropping off and if there's a design problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we make sure that we keep iterating, and you're not going to get it right the first time ever. Like
Yeah.
for us also, it has not happened. Our first product, like I said, first version was people said, what have you given us, right? So you will need to iterate and have those systems in place so that you keep on learning about the customers and keep on seeing improving on the product. That's the second thing. And the third thing is frameworks, right? So we invest a lot in understanding how to solve that problem and defining the framework, the non-negotiables, and that has structured our thinking as a company. And all credit goes to our CEO, who's driving that entire philosophy across the organization, uh, where he forces us to think about frameworks and how would you go about solving a particular problem. So frameworks, I think, is very, very important.
Great. Yeah, I think those are things which every one of us should be using. Knowing the why, making data-driven decisions, and third, having some frameworks which allows everyone in the organization to remain aligned, right? As they say, yeah, everyone is a vector. So you can be putting a lot of effort, but if it is in different direction, the net output would be much lesser than what you truly want. Yeah.
I'm going to copy that quote.